Adventure awaits. Make the most of your camping trips with essential gear from Amazon. We've curated a list of top-rated products to help you conquer any outdoor challenge. Let's explore.
In an emergency, access to clean and safe drinking water is absolutely essential. The NNOOAADIO portable water purification system offers a revolutionary solution, offering unparalleled convenience and reliability in any environment. Equipped with advanced features, this portable water purification system ensures effective water purification every time. By connecting the water purification tube to the outlet interface before and after each use, you prevent air or water buildup that can impede the filtration process, significantly extending the life of the system. In addition, the backflush cleaning feature ensures optimal performance. With an impressive 180,000 milliliters of water purification capacity, equivalent to carrying 360 500 milliliter bottles of mineral water, this system provides a reliable water supply for up to 3 hours when under load. The system's built-in 2000 mAh power bank ensures your electronic devices can receive emergency power via a standard USB-C cable. Multifunction light modes, including an SOS emergency light, add an extra layer of safety and preparedness. The compact, efficient, and versatile NNOOAADIO portable water purification system is a great companion for both adventurers and survivalists. It provides peace of mind and ensures access to clean drinking water in any situation. Looking for the perfect camping table for your next adventure? Look no further than the NACETURE Ultralight travel table. This foldable camping table is a must-have for camping, hiking, and backpacking. It provides a sturdy surface for dining, serving as a side table, or placing small gear. With a lightweight, foldable, and portable design, the table folds down to just 3.9 by 16 inches and weighs just 1.8 pounds. Made from a sturdy aluminum frame and a heavy-duty polyester tabletop, it strikes the perfect balance between strength and portability. A removable mesh storage basket makes it easy to store extra food or gear while you're outdoors. Whether in a backpack, beach bag, or camping gear, this table is easy to pack and take with you wherever you go. Enhance your outdoor experience with the NACETURE Ultralight travel table. Moving in the dark is an essential skill, and the GearLight LED tactical flashlight is a must-have in your backpack. With its powerful LEDs, it illuminates your path, bending and focusing the light up to 300 meters, 10 times brighter than other conventional flashlights. The flashlight is powered by 3 AAA batteries, or a single rechargeable 18650 battery, providing over 10 hours of operation on low setting. Designed for tactical use, the entire kit is made of military-grade aluminum, ensuring weather and impact resistance. This makes the flashlight virtually indestructible in the face of danger. Its durability, combined with its ability to illuminate long distances, makes the GearLight LED tactical flashlight an indispensable tool for those traveling in difficult conditions. Always be prepared by having this reliable and powerful flashlight with you. When your outdoor pursuits involve climbing or rappelling, having dependable equipment is non-negotiable. The AOLEBA static climbing rope is engineered to meet your needs with excellence. This 10.5mm static rope, crafted from high-strength nylon, offers robust abrasion resistance, moderate softness, and a strong binding force. Its anti-slip and tear-resistant properties further ensure your safety during critical moments. Meeting CE certification guarantees high quality and reliability. The bright color enhances visibility in any weather, an essential feature for outdoor activity. The AOLEBA rope comes with 2 carabiner hooks and strong stainless steel protection thimbles, providing additional safety and peace of mind. Its professional design, using high-tenacity nylon, makes it lightweight, compact, and adaptable to various outdoor environments. The smooth grip ensures easy handling and prevents knotting. Whether you're mountaineering, tree climbing, hiking, camping, or enjoying a hammock, this static rope is a versatile and dependable choice for any adventurer. In emergencies or outdoor adventures, having a dependable light source and a way to charge your devices is essential. The Eton American Red Cross crank-powered Clipray clip-on flashlight is a versatile tool that ensures you're always prepared. This innovative flashlight and charger eliminates the need for batteries, relying on simple hand cranking. Just 1 minute of cranking generates enough power for 10 minutes of light, or charges your smartphone and other devices via its standard USB. Its rugged carabiner clip makes it easy to carry wherever you go, hiking, camping, or even in your everyday bag. As a proud partner of the American Red Cross, Eton is committed to your safety, providing innovative solutions for both recreation and emergency preparedness. The Clipray, stay connected and prepared for anything. Whether it's an unexpected power outage or a fun night of camping, you'll always have light and power at your fingertips. Hungry for adventure? The BuddyFlex cooker is your perfect outdoor cooking companion. Pair it with your BuddyFlex heater and transform your campsite into a gourmet kitchen. This powerful cooker boasts 8,000 BTU Infini variable control, giving you precise heat adjustment for perfect cooking every time. The innovative fiber mesh burner ensures quick and easy cleanup, while the heavy-duty cooking grate handles even your largest pots and pans. Important! This cooker is designed exclusively for use with the BuddyFlex heater and its accessories. Whether you're whipping up a hearty breakfast on a chilly morning or enjoying a delicious dinner under the stars, the BuddyFlex cooker delivers the performance and convenience you need to satisfy your cravings. Embrace the power of the sun and revolutionize your outdoor cooking experience. The GOSUN Go Portable Camping Stove. This innovative solar-powered cooker harnesses the sun's rays to bake, roast, or steam your favorite meals, even in remote locations. Forget about hauling heavy propane tanks or worrying about running out of fuel. The GOSUN Go is lightweight, compact, and requires no external power source, making it the perfect companion for camping, hiking, backpacking, or any outdoor adventure. Featuring a sleek and durable design, this portable stove reaches temperatures up to 550 degrees, 288 degrees, allowing you to cook a variety of dishes in just 20 to 30 minutes. Simply place your food inside the vacuum tube cooking chamber, adjust the parabolic reflectors to capture sunlight, and let the sun do the rest. The GOSUN Go is not only eco-friendly but also incredibly easy to use and clean. Its portability and versatility make it an ideal choice for anyone who loves spending time outdoors. So ditch the traditional campfire and embrace the future of outdoor cooking with the GOSUN Go Portable Camping Stove. It's time to enjoy delicious, sun-cooked meals wherever your adventures take you. Forget ordinary lanterns. This is the celestial orb that banishes darkness, transforming your campsite into a cozy constellation. It's like a portable sun, radiating a warm glow that turns the wilderness into your personal haven. Unveil the concierge lantern, and voila, you've got a luminous centerpiece that outshines the moon. It's not just a lantern, it's the maestro of ambiance, setting the stage for ghost stories, card games, and marshmallow roasts. With adjustable brightness and a durable design, Concierge LED Camping Lantern is your trusty companion for illuminating nighttime adventures. Whether you're mapping out constellations, reading under the stars, or simply enjoying nature's beauty, this lantern transforms any campsite into a radiant oasis. Light up your camping world and let the Concierge LED Camping Lantern be the guiding star of your nocturnal escapades. Campers, hikers, and digital nomads, meet your new best friend, the Goal Zero Sherpa 100 AC. This sleek and powerful portable power bank is designed to keep your essential devices charged, no matter how far off the grid you roam. With its high-capacity 25,600 mAh battery, the Sherpa 100 AC can juice up your laptop, camera, phone, and more, ensuring you stay connected and productive even in the most remote locations. Its versatile array of ports, including USB-C, USB-A, and even AC outlets, makes it compatible with a wide range of devices, so you can leave those bulky adapters at home. The Sherpa 100 AC is not only powerful, but also incredibly user-friendly. Its clear display shows you exactly how much power is remaining, so you'll never be caught off guard. And its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to slip into your backpack or carry-on, so you can take it wherever your adventures lead you. Whether you're setting up camp in the wilderness, working from a coffee shop on the road, or simply want to be prepared for unexpected power outages, the GOSUN Sherpa 100 AC is the perfect companion. It's reliable, efficient, and packed with features, making it an essential tool for anyone who values staying connected and powered up on the go. When venturing into the wilderness, a reliable compass is your lifeline to safety and navigation. Introducing the Sportneer Lensatic military compass, meticulously designed for professional-grade accuracy in any outdoor environment. Whether you're camping, embarking on a military mission, facing an emergency, or simply exploring off the beaten path, this compass is your trusted companion. Its ergonomic design features a rear-side lens for magnified readings, ensuring precise navigation even in challenging conditions. Built to military specifications, the Sportneer compass is rugged, durable, waterproof, and shakeproof, making it ideal for harsh environments. Its compact size, belt loop attachment, and carrying case ensure it's always within reach during your hikes or camping trips. Never lose your way, even in the darkness. The fluorescent interface glows brightly, providing clear readings even at night. Whether you're hiking, camping, mountaineering, or exploring, the Sportneer Lensatic military compass is your essential tool for accurate navigation in any outdoor setting. Ignite your adventure with the PSC Fire Piston. Conquer the elements with the PSC Fire Piston, the ultimate fire-starting companion. Precision crafted from high-quality metal, this tool easily starts a fire, making it a must-have for outdoor enthusiasts and survival experts. Its rugged construction ensures durability in the harshest conditions. In addition to starting a fire, the PSC Fire Piston is an educational wonder, providing insights into the science behind ignition. It's the perfect tool for outdoor adventures and classrooms. Compact and lightweight, it fits easily into your backpack or survival kit. Ready for action. From camping trips to emergency situations, count on the PSC Fire Piston to start a fire quickly and efficiently. Experience the thrill of mastering fire in any environment. Enjoy the power of the PSC Fire Piston. Your adventure starts here. Ignite your passion. Go to Amazon. Order now.